That's a beautiful boat.
Thank you.
Is it all wood?
Oh no, it's actually it's pretty new actually. It's fiberglass.
Stop.
It's from Maine, so it's a lobster style.
Yeah. I know you don't see those kind of boats here.
It's called down east.
Is that right?
Yeah.
Can I take a picture of you? I'll take it. Yeah.
How are you?
Man, that's beautiful. And you said.
Write comments, as the comments will give me an indication of what you'd like to see, don't like to see, and how I can improve my channel. Hope you enjoyed my video. Have a good day. This is it in. Nice. That's how you do it.
My appointment is with you
Nice. Nice. Going down, jet skis. Yep. Nice. Wow, what a beautiful boat. Look at that. Twin Yamahas. It's got 2250s. Wow. Oof. That is beautiful. All right. So this is the cobia. You can see that. Here in Fort Soto, the captain did give me permission to film. So we're gonna, let's take a look at the view. It's got a Garmin there. Outriggers. It's got a twin. Yamahas right there. It's beautiful. So the weird part is it's Saturday and it's a beautiful day and you could see all the empty parking spaces. So not sure where everybody is. Maybe everybody woke up late. So I don't know. Let's do. Wow, that guy's far from the actual dock. Oh, just going down. Oh, look at that sun ray. That sun ray over there. With look at that. They got a nice technique. They got a double hook. She releases that pressure. They just got out, they put the trailer down. Boat here. Nice. It's good, man. Look at that boat. Wow. That boat does not look like it was painted properly. Yeah. Going down. Soto. Oh, it's got Suzuki on there. Nice. I used to have a two-stroke engine. It's in reverse. Wow. Just seems we have a chip show here. Nice, nice to win. That was a good one. Alright, so there's the, I don't know what it's called, the taxi. So that isn't parking. Get a little better closer look. Yeah, right there. Tampa Bay. Oh, sorry, Tampa Bay taxi. Right. Tampa Bay. There it is. Birds the movie. That's it. Shell Key Ferry. There's the times. There's the website. Nice. Hello. Now, let's see if we can. The hour. Oh, 1 minute. There you go. And you said it's pretty brand new.
Yeah, I mean it's a 2007.
Oh, that's new.
It's not, you know.
My boat's 1995. So.
Oh, okay. Yeah. So I guess in the Northeast, this type of
style,
boat
yeah.
is used for lobstering.
Yeah.
So they make it into like a picnic boat.
I see them all the time. I was like, whoa, wait.
This and Boston Whalers are all
I
over the
know,
place, right?
man. Can I just tap on it? I'm just curious.
Yeah.
Oh wow, that's solid.
Oh yeah.
Wow. I'm sorry to bother you. I appreciate beautiful boats. Beautiful, man. Somebody should be holding these ropes.